Welcome to our research on habitat restoration. Hello, my name is Shadeva Taylor.
And my name is Britney Alvarez, and through this project, we aim to address the issue of habitat loss and the extinction of species. This project intends to enhance Florida International University's School of Architecture through habitat restoration. The Paul Cejas Architecture Building is our desired site as it lacks a connection to nature, yet has a large open space where we can address this issue.
Defined by National Geographic, habitat destruction is defined as the elimination or alteration of the conditions necessary for animals and plants to survive. Primarily caused by human activity, habitat loss is caused by agricultural practices, pollution, climate change, and much more. It is reported by the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission that more than 1.6 million acres of woodland and wetland habitats will become isolated and degraded, leading to a loss of many important species. How can we aid these ecosystems?
With efforts to combat this issue, we aim to rehabilitate and create a functioning ecosystem in the courtyard located in the Paul Cejas Architecture Building. Britannica defines ecological restoration as the process of repairing sites in nature whose biological communities and ecosystems have been degraded or destroyed. Examples of native habitats in Florida include the Everglades and temperate hardwood forests. Our efforts intend to enhance the population of pollinators.
Defined by the National Park Service, a pollinator is anything that aids in the movement of pollen, allowing plants to reproduce. Along with this, pollinators stabilize soil, supply oxygen, and support wildlife. With habitat loss comes the loss of many pollinator habitats. Influences such as climate change and pollution have altered the ecosystem in which these species thrive, resulting in the death of pollinators.
As a way to implement habitat restoration, we aim to attract bees and butterflies to the Paul Cejas building. By attracting these pollinators, we will be aiding their populations and increasing the process of pollination.